Everybody, LukeExercise.com. I had a conversation just the other day with one of our newest clients, and their questions for me were all centered around, what can this replace? I have all these different softwares that I'm using and managing for my business. What can Exercise.com replace? Well, when it comes to CRM and scheduling, well, there goes Acuity. When it comes to client communications and messaging, there goes WhatsApp, there goes Facebook Messenger, there goes Twilio. All of that can be put into one spot through our system. How about workout programs? Well, there goes our other training app that we had, can keep that into one place as well too. And then how about our merchant processing system? Well, there goes Square, there goes Venmo and PayPal. We're putting that all into one centralized location. And of course, making you the star of the show by custom branding and custom building the software to meet your specific needs. So if that is of interest to you, to replace all of these different softwares that you're managing and get it put under one cohesive software system, be sure to reach out.